The Battle of the Pelennor Fields is the most significant battle of the War of the Ring, and it's certainly the largest, involving the forces of Gondor, Rohan, the Great Company, and Dunland against the forces of Mordor, Haradrim, and Khand. This was the battle in which Sauron attempted to break the strength of the race of men. If he had won this battle, Mordor's forces could have easily swept across the rest of the world. Gondor could have easily fallen, since it had already lost Osgiliath, and the forces of Minas Tirith were too small and unprepared to face Mordor alone. However, the intervention of Rohan and the Army of the Dead saved not just Gondor, but all of Middle-earth from the dominion of the Dark Lord. The Battle of the Pelennor Fields also involved some major casualties, most notably the death of King Theoden and the Witch King of Angmar. The loss of the Witch King was a serious blow, leaving the Nazgul without a commander and Sauron without his mightiest servant.